Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 9a on Base Mobile. So the Pixel 9a is now here at Base Mobile. I don't know when it got released to Base Mobile, but if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel device on Base Mobile, the Pixel 9a is worth checking out here. So yeah, it's available in the obsidian color there. There's the phone right there, front and back. You can get this phone for $99.99 with a $60 plan from Base Mobile, or finance it for 36 months at $13.89 a month for 36 months. The full retail price of the Pixel 9a is $499.99. Okay, so there's front and back of the phone. Very nice looking phone. Front and back once again. From the phone, your front facing camera is somewhere in there. It's probably their front facing camera is hard to see on the photos of the Pixel 9a here, but you do have a whole bunch for your front facing camera. Left side of the phone, right side. So this is the right side of the phone. Back of the phone is a dual camera setup, camera fresh, Google logo. Very nice looking phone. Yeah, and you have 128 gigabytes of storage. Like I said, that's starting at $99.99. That's if you get the Base Mobile $60 plan, okay? You have different ways to get the phone, like I just mentioned. $99.99 with Base Mobile's unlimited premium plan, which is $60 a month for that. You can finance this phone for 36 months at $13.89 a month for 36 months. So full retail price of $499.99. No credit check, no contract. Okay. Quick specs on the Pixel 9a. It has a 6.3-inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 30 hours of battery, Android 13 on board. But I'm sure if you guys get this phone now, y'all guys will get Android 16. You guys might have to update. Y'all guys might have to update it to Android 16, but you do. You will get Android 16 on it. You might have to update it when you guys get the phone. So it came with Android 15 when it was released. So yeah. It says here, meet Pixel 9a with Gemini built in and an incredible camera for a price that's just as smart. Features: magic made simple. Create stunning photos and videos effortlessly. Count on lasting durability and water resistance. Get new and improved features every few months. Pixel drops. Do more faster using Gemini across your apps. Sorry about that. I'm sitting outside recording this video here, so if you guys hear the AC, that's why I'm not sitting outside on New Year's Day doing this video. So yeah, hopefully when I edit this video and remove background noise, you guys won't not hear the AC outside as much. Sorry about that in advance, okay? So anyways, you guys have you guys can hear colors clearly over crowd, noise, and wind. Wow-worthy photos, wow-worthy editing. Like I said, I'm standing outside, guys. So you guys will hear nature and stuff. So sorry about that in advance. This is like the quiet place that I can record videos right now. So yeah, take a picture and be in it too. Add me. Make sure no one is left out of your photo. Take one with the group, then swap in the photographer. Pixel magically merges both. Turn tiny details into spectacular images. Use macro focus to reveal vivid color and striking contrast in photos and videos of the smallest details like raindrops, flowers, and sprinkles. So, group photos, the whole family. Group photos, the whole group loves. Best Take helps you get an amazing group photo by combining similar photos. Pixel finds the best moment, or you can choose everyone's best expression. Lasting appeal. Fun colors, fresh design. Pixel 9a comes in obsidian, porcelain coating and Irish color options. It has a smooth finish and is made with recycled materials. This mobile only has the obsidian color option, so keep that in mind. Drops and spills, no big deal. With enhanced drop protection and water resistance, Pixel 9a can handle life's oh-no moments. The dependable all-day battery. The adaptive battery on Pixel 9a can last every 30 hours. Need more? You need even more? Turn on Extreme Battery Saver to make it last up to 100 hours. So that's pretty insane. Yeah, yeah. Get that new phone feeling every few months. Your phone keeps getting better over time with automatic pixel drops, pieces of helpfulness, like camera updates, brand new features, and more. I think I'm hearing roosters in the background, so if you guys hear roosters, sorry about that. Like I said, I'm sitting outside recording a video here, so yeah, I'm sitting outside freezing my ass off recording a video for you guys. So you're welcome. So you guys got different features here for like the pixel drops and stuff like that. So you guys will get pixel drops every few months. So pretty cool features for the Pixel fans there. Meet Gemini, your built-in AI assistant. Sorry about that. If you guys like to use AI, it has Gemini built in, but you can use different AI apps if you guys want to. I use Gemini and Chat GPT, so I use both. So yeah, you guys can use Gemini across your Google apps and stuff like that and do different things with Gemini. You guys know. Ask Gemini to get more information across apps. Save time by asking Gemini to find information and get things done for you across your Google apps. It's multitasking made easy. Talk it out with Gemini Live. Instead of typing, go live with Gemini to chat naturally, back and forth. It follows along even if you change your thoughts. Powerful protection online and IRL. Keep hearing the fucking rooster in the background. I don't know. Kinda weird, but let's continue. It says here, detects a car crash and calls for help. Pixel can detect if you've been in a severe car crash. Call emergency services, and share your location if you can. A great feature to have. Extra protection when you're online. With built-in VPN by Google built-in, with VPN by Google built-in and passkeys, Pixel helps protect your online activity no matter what app or web browser you use. Protection if your phone is in the wrong hands. If your theft is detected, Pixel automatically locks to give you peace of mind that your sensitive information will stay private. Security updates for 7 years. To protect you and your sensitive data, Pixel gets regular software updates, helping to make your phone even more secure over time. Talk about smarter calling. With Pixel Call Assist, you'll get a set of AI-powered features that help you hear callers more clearly, avoid unwanted calls, speed through calls, menus, and more. Call sharing. Pixel helps detect and filter out spam calls for you. Spam calls suck ass, so we all get them, but they suck. Hold for me. Let Pixel wait on hold for you and tell you when you're up. So you don't have to sell the phone and wait to be connected to customer service or whatever. Pixel will let you know when your time is ready. Okay. Nice features there too. Clear calling. Hear your callers over crowds, noise, and wind. Specs. The Pixel 9a has a 6.3-inch display, 120Hz refresh rate. Cameras has a dual rear camera system, 48 megapixel wide camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide super red zoom up to 8 times, 13 megapixel front-facing camera. The battery on the Pixel 9a is 5100 milliamps, up to 100 hours of battery life with extreme battery saver turned on. Fast charging, wireless charging, of course. Qt certified. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 28 gigabytes of storage. You guys need extra storage, you guys will need Google One for that. The processor has a Google Tensor G4 chipset, a Titan M2 security code processor. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, includes Bluetooth 5.3, includes NFC, and stuff like that, so very cool. It has Android 15 on it. If you guys get this right now, you guys might have to update it. You guys might have to update it to Android 16. So do keep that in mind, okay? So it might come with Android 15 if you guys get this RAM. Don't worry, you can get you will be able to get Android 16 and whatnot on this RAM. So you're good with that. It'll get 7 years of update, so you'll get that till Android 22 on the Pixel 9a, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, your dimensions on the Pixel 9a are 6.1 inches height, 3.9 inches width, and 0.4 inches depth. The Pixel 9a weighs 6.6 ounces. Other features included on the Pixel 9a include Google AI, corner Gorilla Glass 3 cover glass, IP68, dust and water resistant, 7 years of iOS security and Pixel Drop update. So you guys will get iOS updates till Android 22. So that's pretty insane. What's included with the Pixel 9a is, of course, your Pixel 9a smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, SIM ejection tool, safety, warranty, and regulatory guide, and that is pretty much it. There, shut itself in the box there. So yeah. So there is the Google Pixel 9a available on Boost Mobile. It's available now for $99.99 with a purchase of a $60 plan from Boost Mobile. Full retail price is $499.99, and you guys can also pay monthly for it at $13.89 a month for 36 months. So if you guys are looking to get a budget Pixel device on Boost Mobile, check out the Pixel 9a. It's definitely worth checking out. It has great features on it. It's definitely worth checking out. It looks very nice. And yeah, if you guys want a budget Pixel, the Pixel 9a is worth checking out. Don't know when we'll get the Pixel 10a, who knows, but yeah, the Pixel 9a is worth checking out in the meantime. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If last man all lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.